Hello, my little yarn gremlins. Oh, how I have missed you guys. So, welcome. My name is Thryss, if you are new, and welcome back if you are a returning little yarn gremlin. So, I hope you guys had a great holiday season or a great December. Happy New Year. So, it is January 2025. Can you believe it? Because I sure can't. So it is the official release of the new boxes. I'm excited. We're going in some new directions this year. We're going to bring out some new releases, some color packs, some little mini series of yarn releases. I'm very, very excited, but we're not going to talk about those today. Today we're going to talk about the January releases. Before I do, I want to thank you guys for the Birthstone collection. You guys really showed up in such a big way in support of that collection. It was so much fun, and I cannot wait to see what you guys create out of it. So don't forget to start sending in pictures of things that you make with it. And we'll do like a slideshow, something like that. Now, I was asked by a few if I would be allowing for the Birthstone collection to still be ordered. I had intended for it to stop in December, but there seems to be interest in it still, which I totally get. If you find that, you need an extra one or, whatever. So this month will be the last month that you can order the Birthstone collection, and it be at the subscription box rate. So you can order any amount, any month, the whole collection, whatever the case may be, this month. After this month, it will go to custom. It'll have to be a custom order and at custom order rates. And I don't open customs very often. I'm hoping to open them more in 2025, but I make no promises. So now is your last chance to get them and at a reduced rate. Okay, so Kobe just got inside. He's scratching his back on the carpet. All right, so I am super, super stoked. Let me think. I guess I'll get all the order details out now. Well, no, I'll show you the yarn and then I'll tell you how to order it because, Birthstone is over, technically, so you won't be writing BS for Birthstone anymore. You're gonna have new letters to write for the new collection, which I really hope you guys are as excited as I am. I actually last second, 11th hour, changed my direction. We'll get into that. So here's something new that your girl is finally learning how to do. I will be showing if you don't want to look away now. I'll tell you when you can look back, but I will give verbal descriptors of the colors that are in it for those who need that. So if you don't want to hear that, then that's about to happen. So okay, this one is called Winter Skies, and I want you to think about those just watercolor sunrises, sunsets, where you have just the really beautiful pastel, especially when it's snowing. This is what I went for, and I really, really like it. I think it's beautiful, and I actually did pastel. It is a little bit, I think it is a little, yeah, the light is blowing it. Okay, I need to start showing it back here. But it's got different tones of gray and pink, purple, and blues, but I have two colors in here that break, so there's like little speckles of other colors in here too, of these colors, but different shades of them. So it's a really, really pretty colorway. I think it'll work up beautifully, and there are little bits of white in there intentionally, for the snow and the clouds, and just it's that really pale watercolor. Just, I love it. I think it's so beautiful. Yeah, okay, so that's Winter Skies. Okay, so the new collection. Now, I was originally going to go with dessert. But last second, I kind of changed directions, and I really hope, I don't know, I really hope you guys, it means something. So we are doing, it's called the Nostalgia Collection. Because each colorway, I'm messing with them down here, that's why I keep looking off camera. Each colorway is based off of a, what is the word I'm thinking of? Classic. Thank you. A classic children's book. So Andrew and I are really passionate about literacy. We think it's really, really important. And especially right now, if you don't know, there's so many children's books being pulled from libraries and schools that have great messages that aren't being allowed to be seen. Some of those books might be on here. I'm honestly not sure, but I read all the time. I still read all the time. Well, it's audiobooks, but it counts. And so there's going to be a few of my favorites on here. This one is like tops of the list, all-time favorite, only to be matched by one other book, which will be further down the line. So this one is Velvetine Rabbit. That was one of my favorite books, and I want you to think about, you know, the books that got read to you as a kid, how comforting and loving and great that felt to be in the lap of somebody, or maybe it was a teacher you really, really adored, you know, reading that story to you, and just, I don't know, it evokes a lot of emotion, I feel. So, or imagine, you know, you sitting and reading to your children, reading to your grandchildren. And what I thought would be kind of a cool idea is those of you who do amigurumi, you could totally take these and you could create an amigurumi with that. So like the Velveteen Rabbit, you can make a rabbit out of this or something. Or you can make a blanket, and each one, like when you get it in, if you have a child in your life, or even just for yourself, get that book. Okay, so you could, sorry, I had to take a break, pause for a second. So you could, I honestly don't remember where I left off, but, you could, oh yeah, thank you. You can make a blanket where, each time you get it in, you could read it to one of the children in your life, or reread it yourself and remind yourself of that story and the message and everything like that. And then you've got a blanket for yourself or somebody else that's of all these just great works of literacy. Anyway, I'm very passionate about it, and of course I started thinking about my grandbaby immediately and how I cannot wait to, like, you know, read these to her. Anyway, okay. See? Nostalgia. Alright, so this is Velvetine Rabbit. You guys will have a little bit, the brown will come down more. I just kind of tried to hurry and get this one done so I could get the video out, but it's, you know, brown for the rabbit, two different tones of brown, and then pink for his ears, because he had those sateen pink ears, and then red for his little bow. Now I know a lot of times, a lot of pictures show him with a blue bow, but my memory of him was his little red bow and his little red kerchief that he had on. So this is how I remember the Velveteen Rabbit, and I just think it'll be really cool. And I'm so excited to see if you guys make like little rabbits out of it, or if you make, like, what are those called? A mile a minute blankets, or temperature blankets, or no, temperature blanket is every row. I think it's a mile a minute. Anyway, which I didn't do anything with the Birthstone collection, but I'm definitely going to do something with the Nostalgia collection. Okay, so here's how you're going to order. You are going to put, if you're doing birthstone this month, again, it's the last month, you're going to do BS. If you're doing just the regular full spectrum, it's FS, like it's always been. That's never changed. And for the nostalgia collection, you're going to put NC. Or you can put book collection. Just make sure I know what it is that you're wanting. So same ways of ordering, Zelle, PayPal, Cashapp. Zelle, PayPal, Cashapp. And I need your name, your address, and I need which collection, what size, and how many. So it comes in worsted weight at 187 yards, DK weight at 231 yards, and fingering weight at 437 yards. They are $20 per hank, $7 per order for shipping. So if you order 3 hanks, it's $67. If you order 2 hanks, it's $47. If you order 1 hank, it's $27. You can order however many you would like. Ordering window closes on the 8th unless you've spoken to me otherwise. I try to ship between the 15th and the 20th. So BS for birthstone last month. FS for full spectrum, which is the winter skies, and NC for nostalgia collection, or you can say book collection or whatever. But it is vital. It is vital, vital, vital that you give your address and that you give which collection you want, which weight you want, and the quantity. Otherwise, I can't do your order. And if we've never corresponded, I won't be able to reach out to you to get that information. It causes delays and stuff like that. So, did I forget anything? I think I did the payments, the cost, the weights, the yardage. I showed them. Oh, you can look again, by the way. Now, when you order, if you order the Winter Skies, the full spectrum, you will, the extra, the little add-on, will be my very first merch item. It'll be my very first item that has the full spectrum logo on it. So you'll be the only ones to have it. And obviously it's not anything like huge because of expense, but I'm starting slow and little. So it is the very first thing. And I will make a separate video about this, but I'm going to do a calling all small creators, like small businesses, I mean. If you would like to work with me in future months to have your products put into my box in exchange for my box, then let me know. So, you know, I'll give you, we'll talk in the email and figure out, you know, an appropriate amount of the 2 different boxes in exchange for whatever your product is or whatever, but it'll just be a direct exchange to have your things put into the box. So if you make, I don't know, you know, notions and I don't know, I want to give anybody a chance to maybe get your products out there to more people. And I don't know, I thought that would be a really fun new direction to go. So if you have a small business, email me at fullspectrumcrafts@gmail.com, and yeah, we will do that moving forward. I hope you guys liked the one that I did from last month. The lady forgot to send her cards, so I couldn't put those in the boxes, but they were these adorable little wooden pots with lids, and I put some silver bells in there, and I put a little note in there explaining the meaning of them, and we all share those silver bells. Only we have them, and I just thought it was kind of cool, and those pots are really nice for like stitch markers and stuff. So Gizmo's over here being a crazy boy. He needs to be a crazy boy. Say Happy New Year, everybody. Say Happy New Year. He's a good, handsome boy. Kobe's over with Daddy. Otherwise, we would say hi too. But, I think that's it. I'm just rambling at this point. I'm so sorry, but I will do a video tomorrow or the next day, just show you guys what I've been doing, and you know, kind of a chit chatty. We'll get a live done. I'm almost done editing the name reveal with a bunch of pictures of the grandbaby, and then not the birth shower, the baby shower and all that stuff like that. So anyway, I love you guys. I miss you guys. I will talk to you guys soon, and have a good one. Oh, by the way, it's 100% merino. So just for that, I mean, I think most everybody knows, but if you're new, the yarn hanks are made of merino. So, all right, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.